So this is my Maniac looking like right now, so let's get to it. I got this blackout seat, pretty grippy, way better than the SC Flyer seat because it's so bad for you to do combos and it's also slippery. And the SC seats are like 60 bucks and the blackout seats are like 40 something. Next, I got some Beast Mode tires. I used to have one of the Squabble tires, Supermoto. They're like 2.8. This one's like 3.0 because they're good for doing combos and you're swerving. Next are these plastic pedals. They're called Primo. And these pedals are actually pretty good. I recommend getting these plastic pedals because the metal pedals actually hurts. So you get like cut, like scratches and shit like that. Alright, next, some paint strip cranks because these used to be green. It's because I was trying to make like a dark blue Maniac because I don't like green or aqua Maniacs because those are like too common for a Maniac. So this Ride Out Supply sticker kit got Ruru Ripper. I actually named this bike because this actually matches with my bike. And I actually got this shit from a TV show. And so yeah. And some like some hydros, cause I used to have one of those Shimano Diors because one of my fucking dumbass friends actually locked that shit. So I got these, the Clarks. These are actually pretty nice, but they're not that bad, but they're actually worse, but good, like hydros and shit. So yeah, this is, oh I forgot, a new, like a chrome seat clamp. I actually got this because when I was about to get a blue one, but they didn't have any, so I got this instead. And also, it actually matches this and my chrome bars because my chrome bars are actually pretty nice and decent and shit like that. So yeah. And also, I actually want to like show you some clips that I actually landed because I haven't posted for a while. So I'm gonna get to that shit.